Hello everyone, how's everyone doing? Hope you all are doing good. Hope you all are resonating with the readings. So let's see what is coming in the cards today. Six of Cups. Now the card indicates that time to spend with family, time to enjoy what you like doing. Maybe if you are, when I'm seeing this card, I feel some of you who are expecting a help from a known resource will get the help today and will be happy that they someone lent the hand to help you. And this help I feel is more on a personal level, personal life, and not the professional level, which is actually making things easier for you, and you're able to handle it more precisely. So let's see. I want to pull one more card. Four of Swords. Maybe you're worried of how the week is going to come, how you're going to manage the work stress. And for some of you, you already know you are jam packed in your work and there's a lot of workload. So maybe what you can do is today sit, take out some time and plan how you want to start your day, or how you want to plan your week, so that you can handle all your work at the same time, be stress free and be relaxed. But let's just pull one more card to see what else is coming. Okay, the Knight of Coins. So coming week is more focus on work, focus on what are the ways to grow the business if you're in business, and if you're if you're working somewhere, then what are the ways to acquire the projects or get good name from the projects or complete the projects on time. That is what I feel as. So maybe today what you should do is you should just take a break, and once you're refreshed, sit and plan out the coming week, plan out how you're going to work on your finances, how you're going to work on your workload, and accordingly I'm sure you'll come out with a plan wherein your work life is not disturbed, at the same time your personal life is also not disturbed. Today wear the color light blue so that you will get clarity, and you'll be calm from inside, and with that calmness you'll be able to handle the schedule which you want to put. And in the morning, do the Surya Mudra for you to get the much needed energy. And also, if possible, pick up some rice from the market and donate the rice to the needy today, so that the upcoming week is filled with happiness, abundance, and any obstacles which is stopping you from moving forward the coming week, that also will go. Have a blessed day. Thank you.